much.
When Serena first came around the corner, I was really blown away.
Nerdrotic.com.
It's a very special time in the show, ladies and gentlemen. It's time to read a little Santa's husband. Okay, are you ready for this?
I'm so excited, Gary. I'm so excited.
Here we go.
I hope this is where Santa's husband talks about how big the North Pole is.
We got a little music in the background. Here we go. You ready?
Christmas time.
Santa is so busy during Christmas time that sometimes his husband, Mr. Claus, even helps him out.
With a
Not the way you were thinking.
Husband?
By sitting.
Oh, we didn't explain
He
this to
doesn't know.
Dan.
Here, he doesn't know.
By sitting sitting in for him at the mall and asking all the good children what they'd like for Christmas this year. Some folks get confused and say, that is Santa Claus himself, but those people are mistaken. It's Santa's husband. Because he's the white one? Yeah.
Yeah.
What?
They
Because
like
they
to
don't
play.
realize
Santa's
black.
one sleigh.
Oh my God!
Are they playing what I think?
Why
they're
does this exist?
Santa's husband. By Daniel Kibblesmith.
I'm shocked. Jesus.
So that's Santa. That's Santa's
Like
husband. There you go. Just so you
This is written by a comic book creator.
Yes.
And what show did he work on? What TV show?
That's what you call propaganda.
With a wife.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. No, he worked on
confused.
Millionaire.
Yeah, you should be, Dan.
Well, in America,
What's the show called? I want to suck off a millionaire for money. I don't know.
It was I'm so fucking pathetic that I'm rich and I still can't get pussy. That's what it was called. But no, Daniel Kibblesmith
Play
is a
the
little...
clips. Play the clips when trying to interact with a woman, please.
Dan needs to know.
Okay, hang on.
Kibblesmith has never touched a woman in his life.
So
He's
the
married.
guy who wrote
Educate
the
me.
Santa's husband thing his name is Daniel Kibblesmith. Excuse me, guy.
what the fuck you call him?
He wrote this really terrible comic for Marvel Comics, which never got published. He also was on the show. Was it Who Wants to Marry a Millionaire or the Millionaire Matchmaker?
I'm a gold digging whore and I want to marry a millionaire.
Yeah, so it's cringy as hell. And then he wrote for Colbert. Is that what it is?
Yeah.
Oh, this is so good.
Make sure you turn the sound on.
Oh,
I forgot to press the sound button.
I
There it is.
did.
You look really nice.
Thank you so much.
When Serena first came around the corner, I was really blown away.
Dude, I promise he was never fucking blown by her. I promise.
oh God, this is so.
Do you have like an ex-boyfriend?
That reaction that he has when she goes in to hug him. He's all like,
woman's touching me.
Girly.
Go forward a little, Gary. It's their
Cooties.
kiss. It's their
She has sores. She does have sores.
No. I'll eat your ass. I will eat your ass.
A little raunchy.
Man.
Wow. How long was this?
That's a straight man, right?
That was 5 seasons of that shit. Is it still on?
You know what that reminds me of, Gary? It reminds me of this, I think. This is exactly what was going through my mind when I saw that. Like everything about that dude is so fucking soy. From how he was standing when she walked up with his hands over his dick to protect himself.
Please don't touch me. Don't touch me
insecurity.
here.
Absolute insecurity.
Like
That
didn't
has
wanna
to
touched
be-
by her. Like
That has to be staged. I don't know if I'm naive, if I have too much hope for humanity, but that has to be
That can't
staged.
be real.
Well, it is staged.
Oh,
I mean, it's a
God.
reality TV show, but I mean, I'm sure his reaction was genuine. He looked
Right.
really uncomfortable
he
and
looked terrified.
insecure, and that's basically the reason why he was standing like that.
Right.
That's
Why?
Why? One star. Why?
In my head, all I can hear is that famous figure skater. Why? Why?
Why?
Yeah.
I want to
They
save
just
that.
Not that
They just
famous.
went all Tanya Harding on Santa.
Wow.
That was exactly Dan's reaction. He was like, why does this exist?
I can relate. Yes.
I question reality now.
Not inclusive enough. Oh my god.
Wow,
I mean,
like
sure, Santa's now black and gay, but why wasn't he also trans?
Who identifies as a queer gender fruit bat?
Oh my god, that is so fucking
Love it. Love it.
Oh, wow. Do you guys, I don't know where the fuck we go from there. I'll read a couple super chats and then we'll get to the next thing. Jeffrey Jackson, thank you.
This is therapy.
Love and peace from West Virginia. West Virginia, Mountain Mama. Take me
Dan,
home.
take it away. Go.
Country
West
road.
Virginia.
Take me home.
I'm trying to work out which way he is. That way.
Yeah, I gotta. Yeah, is it
I
that way?
belong.
So he's down that way. Okay, got
So
it.
far, everybody is sung except for the singer.
Except for the singer.
I don't know any of the songs you start singing. So
That's a good excuse.
You heard them right. If you heard them actually the way they're intended to be, you'd probably recognize. West Virginia.
Her
guys know that song?
home. Yeah.
Creed now?
Just go Creed on us.
Right
West Virginia.
Tiger and the tail of the fight is enough.
yeah, I don't want to. I don't want
Dan's
to.
never coming back. Dan's never coming
Don't
back.
trying to sing.
Nice hanging with you guys. I'm out of here.
I'm trying to sing.
I don't want to do any culture appropriation here. So
Dan's never coming back.
If you like what I do here, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking and sharing the videos. It really does help. And if you did this with your favorite YouTuber as well, I'm sure they would appreciate it as much as I do.